How to record your screen on Android. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few ways to record screen on your Android device. Let's get right into it. Right now, I'm using my phone's default screen recorder to record my screen. So what happens is in phones these days, they will give you an inbuilt screen recorder, so you don't have to install any third-party apps. You can just go to your settings menu, and then from here, you can just search for screen recorder, and it will show you the options, all of the available options right here. Now here I've been given this option, screenshots and screen recordings. I can just tap on it, and then there are some options for screen recording here. You could change the recording sound if it's media and mic, or if it's just your microphone or just your media, or you want to mute the sound as well. You could choose the quality of your video. You could show taps and touches and where the screen recording will be saved. So these are the things that you can change from your default recorder, or you could use any third-party recorders as well. So you can just go ahead and search for screen recorder. And you'll find quite a lot of few options. One of the best ones is this one, X Recorder. It helps you record all of your stuff like gaming. It helps you stream. As you can see, the reviews are quite good as well. It has almost 7 million reviews, with almost all of them as 5-star. You could use these apps as well. So let me just show you guys how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to my home screen here. And from here, I'm able to customize all of my recording stuff. So I can choose videos, photos, I can edit the settings. If I want my internal mic, if I want to mute my mic, noise reduction, and all of that good stuff. So that's how you basically record screen on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.